Now we're getting our soil drop. And we got 35 yards of soil coming. So he's not too far away from me, so he's gonna be about, I'll go grab another load and be back in about half an hour, 45 minutes, and then I can go drive down. I'm in Minnestrista right now, and then I gotta drive an hour back home to Apple Valley and then drive down to Northfield to pick up some honeyberries, some gooseberries, some black currants, and a couple of cherry trees. And then I will have pretty much everything I need for this install. Sweet, perfect. Oh, that's some beautiful looking soil right there. And we are getting the last soil dump. So we'll have 35 yards of premium garden soil, compost mix. Really, really good soil. And there's that. Just like that. There goes all the That's some good stuff right there.